How to make stickers on iOS 17, let's jump on in. First of all, open up the Photos app. Then tap on the photo that you would like to use to make a sticker. Next, long tap on the photo. You will then see this glowing outline around the subject of your image. Then tap on the right arrow icon. And next tap on Add Sticker. This will add the sticker to your list of stickers. Now to use your sticker, open up the Messages app. Then tap on the Create Message icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Select the contact that you would like to send this message to. And then at the bottom tap on the plus symbol. Next tap on Stickers. And then simply tap on your newly created sticker. And if you would like to send it, simply press on the blue button right here. But what if you would like to use stickers on WhatsApp, for example? How can you do that? Well, while it can be done, the way to do it is a little bit different. Let me show you. First of all, again, we're going to open up the Photos app. Next, tap on the photo that you would like to use to make a sticker. Now long tap on the photo. And then instead of tapping on Add Sticker, what you're going to do is you're going to tap on Copy right here. Your sticker has now been copied to the clipboard. Now go back to the home screen and open up WhatsApp. Tap on the contact that you would like to send the sticker to. Then long tap in the message field at the bottom. And then tap on Paste. Your sticker will then appear and you can then tap on Send. Once your sticker has been sent, at the same time it will also be saved as a WhatsApp sticker. You can verify that by tapping on the sticker icon at the bottom. And as you can clearly see, the sticker is now here in our list of WhatsApp stickers. And this is how you make and use stickers on iOS 17. If you would like to know how to make really cool animated stickers on Instagram, then make sure to watch the next video on this channel.